Welcome to our exploration of stem cells and regenerative medicine. Stem cells are unique cells with the remarkable ability to develop into many different cell types in the body. This versatility makes them a powerful tool in medical research and treatment. Today, we'll journey through the basics of stem cells, their types, and how they are revolutionizing the field of regenerative medicine. From repairing damaged tissues to treating chronic diseases, stem cells hold immense promise. Let's begin by understanding what makes these cells so special and why scientists are so excited about their potential. Stem cells are the body's raw materials, cells from which all other cells with specialized functions are generated. Under the right conditions, stem cells divide to form more cells called daughter cells. These daughter cells either become new stem cells or differentiate into specialized cells, such as blood, brain, heart muscle, or bone cells. This unique ability to both self-renew and differentiate is what sets stem cells apart from other cell types. Understanding this process is key to unlocking new treatments for a variety of diseases and injuries. There are several types of stem cells, each with unique properties and potential uses. Embryonic stem cells are pluripotent, meaning they can become any cell type in the body. Adult stem cells found in tissues like bone marrow are more limited but still vital for repair and maintenance. Induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs, are adult cells reprogrammed to behave like embryonic stem cells. Each type offers different possibilities for research and therapy, and scientists are working to understand their strengths and limitations. Embryonic stem cells are derived from early-stage embryos. These cells are incredibly versatile, capable of becoming any cell type in the body. This property, known as pluripotency, makes them invaluable for research into development and disease. However, their use raises ethical questions, as obtaining these cells involves the destruction of embryos. Despite these concerns, embryonic stem cells have provided critical insights into how organisms develop and how diseases progress, paving the way for new therapies. Adult stem cells are found in various tissues throughout the body, such as bone marrow and fat. Unlike embryonic stem cells, they are multipotent, meaning they can only become a limited range of cell types. These cells play a crucial role in maintaining and repairing the tissues where they are found. For example, hematopoietic stem cells in bone marrow produce new blood cells. Adult stem cells are already used in treatments like bone marrow transplants, showing their practical value in medicine. Induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs, are a groundbreaking discovery. Scientists can take adult cells like skin cells and reprogram them to behave like embryonic stem cells. This means they regain the ability to become almost any cell type. iPSCs offer a way to bypass ethical concerns associated with embryonic stem cells and open new doors for personalized medicine. Researchers are using iPSCs to model diseases, test drugs, and explore potential therapies tailored to individual patients. Regenerative medicine is a field focused on repairing or replacing damaged cells, tissues, and organs. Harnessing the power of stem cells, scientists aim to restore normal function in patients with injuries or chronic diseases. This approach goes beyond simply treating symptoms. It seeks to address the root cause of medical problems. Regenerative medicine combines biology, engineering, and technology to develop innovative therapies that could transform healthcare in the future. Stem cells have the remarkable ability to repair damaged tissues. When introduced into the body, they can migrate to sites of injury and differentiate into the needed cell types. For example, in heart disease, stem cells may help regenerate heart muscle cells. In spinal cord injuries, they could potentially replace damaged nerve cells. This natural healing process is the foundation of many regenerative therapies currently being developed and tested in clinical trials. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide. Stem cell therapy offers hope for regenerating damaged heart tissue after a heart attack. Researchers are investigating how stem cells can be used to grow new heart muscle cells, improve heart function, and reduce scar tissue. While challenges remain, early clinical trials have shown promising results, suggesting that stem cell-based treatments could one day become a standard part of cardiac care. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions. Scientists are exploring how stem cells can be used to replace the insulin-producing cells destroyed in type 1 diabetes. By generating new pancreatic cells from stem cells, researchers hope to restore the body's ability to regulate blood sugar naturally. This approach could reduce or eliminate the need for insulin injections, offering a potential cure rather than just symptom management. Neurological disorders like Parkinson's disease and spinal cord injuries are notoriously difficult to treat. Stem cells offer new hope by potentially replacing lost or damaged nerve cells. Researchers are working on ways to use stem cells to restore movement, sensation, and other functions lost due to neurological damage. While these therapies are still experimental, they represent a significant step forward in the quest to treat and possibly cure neurological diseases. Vision loss from diseases like macular degeneration and retinitis pigmentosa can be devastating. Stem cell therapy is being studied as a way to replace damaged retinal cells and restore sight. Early clinical trials have shown that stem cell-derived retinal cells can integrate into the eye and improve vision in some patients. While more research is needed, these advances offer hope for those facing blindness. Bone and joint injuries are common, especially as people age. Stem cells are being used to help repair cartilage, bone, and other tissues in orthopedic medicine. For example, stem cell injections are being tested for treating osteoarthritis and healing fractures. These therapies aim to promote natural healing and reduce the need for invasive surgeries, offering patients a faster and less painful recovery. Stem cell transplants, especially bone marrow transplants, have been used for decades to treat blood disorders like leukemia and lymphoma. These procedures replace diseased blood-forming cells with healthy stem cells, allowing the body to produce normal blood cells again. Advances in stem cell research are making these treatments safer and more effective, improving outcomes for patients with life-threatening blood diseases. Burns and chronic wounds can be challenging to heal. Stem cell therapy is being explored as a way to regenerate skin and promote faster healing. By applying stem cells directly to wounds, researchers hope to stimulate the growth of new, healthy skin tissue. This approach could revolutionize the treatment of burns and ulcers, reducing scarring and improving recovery times for patients. One of the most exciting possibilities in regenerative medicine is the potential to grow entire organs from stem cells. Scientists are working on ways to create lab-grown organs, such as kidneys and livers, for transplantation. This could address the shortage of donor organs and eliminate the risk of organ rejection. While still in early stages, organ regeneration represents a bold vision for the future of medicine. Stem cells are paving the way for personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. By using a patient's own cells to generate new tissues or test drugs, doctors can develop therapies that are more effective and less likely to cause side effects. This approach is transforming how we think about healthcare, making it more precise and patient-centered. Researchers use stem cells to create models of human diseases in the lab. By studying these models, scientists can better understand how diseases develop and test new drugs more safely and efficiently. This reduces the need for animal testing and speeds up the development of new treatments. Stem cell-based disease modeling is a powerful tool for advancing medical research. Despite their promise, stem cell therapies face significant challenges. These include ensuring the safety and effectiveness of treatments, avoiding immune rejection, and preventing the formation of tumors. Regulatory hurdles and ethical concerns also need to be addressed. Researchers are working hard to overcome these obstacles, but it's important to recognize that stem cell therapy is still an evolving field. Use of stem cells, especially embryonic stem cells, raises important ethical questions. These include concerns about the destruction of embryos, consent, and the potential for misuse. Different countries have different regulations and guidelines to address these issues. Open dialogue among scientists, ethicists, and the public is essential to ensure responsible progress in stem cell research. Many stem cell therapies are currently being tested in clinical trials around the world. These trials are essential for determining the safety and effectiveness of new treatments. While some therapies have already reached patients, others are still in early stages of development. The results of ongoing trials will shape the future of regenerative medicine and determine which approaches become standard care. Stem cell banking involves collecting and storing stem cells for future use. This can be done at birth by saving umbilical cord blood, or later in life from bone marrow or other tissues. Banking stem cells provides a valuable resource for potential therapies and research. As technology advances, more people are considering stem cell banking as a form of biological insurance. The future of regenerative medicine is bright. As our understanding of stem cells grows, so does the potential for new treatments and cures. Advances in gene editing, tissue engineering, and personalized medicine are expanding what's possible. In the coming years, we may see breakthroughs that were once thought impossible, transforming healthcare for generations to come. Aging is associated with the gradual loss of tissue function. Stem cell therapies are being explored as a way to slow or even reverse some aspects of aging. By replenishing aging tissues with healthy new cells, researchers hope to improve quality of life and extend healthy lifespan. While this area is still in its infancy, it holds exciting possibilities for the future. Dentists are exploring how stem cells can be used to regenerate dental tissues such as teeth and gums. This could lead to new treatments for tooth decay, gum disease, and even the regrowth of lost teeth. Stem cell-based dental therapies are still experimental, but they represent a promising frontier in oral health care. Immune system relies on stem cells to produce the various types of blood cells needed to fight infections and diseases. Stem cell therapies are being developed to treat immune disorders such as autoimmune diseases and immunodeficiencies. By restoring a healthy immune system, these treatments could help patients lead healthier, more active lives. Stem cell therapies aren't just for humans. Veterinarians are using them to treat injuries and diseases in animals too. From healing tendon injuries in horses to treating arthritis in dogs, regenerative medicine is improving the quality of life for pets and livestock. These advances highlight the broad potential of stem cells across species. Public understanding of stem cell research is crucial for its acceptance and advancement. Education helps dispel myths and clarify the real benefits and risks. Scientists, doctors, and educators are working together to provide accurate information and encourage informed discussions about stem cell therapies and regenerative medicine. Regenerative medicine is a global effort, with scientists and doctors from around the world collaborating to advance the field. International partnerships accelerate research, share knowledge, and ensure that breakthroughs benefit people everywhere. By working together, the global community can overcome challenges and unlock the full potential of stem cells. Stem cells and regenerative medicine are ushering in a new era of healthcare. From treating chronic diseases to repairing injuries and even growing new organs, the possibilities are expanding every day. While challenges remain, the progress so far is inspiring. As research continues, stem cells may transform medicine and improve countless lives around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of healing.